Hello, my name is Aurika Savitskaite. I'm a co-founder of helmetbasedventilation.com. I received a hood, the prototype hood from the team in Antelope Valley, where Virgin Galactic's, NASA, and Spaceship Company have a team working on this equipment and other ones that are helping during this pandemic. We had a great Zoom meeting another day with the designers from NASA and the scientists, and I had a pleasure to give them my feedback, also the feedback from Dr. Kress from University of Chicago. So now I will talk about the neck ring. As you can see, it is much smaller diameter. It's about 10 inches. And the reason is because this part is off the shelf. So they just can, use it. They don't have to produce a new ring. They just can use this part and increase the production of the helmets. Now the neck seal. The neck seal, so this is a silicone neck seal. It is a little bit different shape. As you can see, it doesn't look like a turtleneck like the other helmets have. It has a hole that fits the patient's neck, and the plan is to have two sizes. Okay, so also, as you maybe noticed, it is a little bit closer to the back, to the ring in the back of the head. So what happens this way, the patient, when he's leaning back in the bed, it doesn't press on the ring too much, it doesn't push the ring forward too much, so it is more comfortable for the patient, and also it prevents any ear leaks. Another feature we have here that is very different comparing to other helmets, we have a window, so for the patient access. This black stripe here, it's actually a magnet, so it stays sealed even when it's not inflated. It opens up easily with the hood being inflated. For the COVID patients, you wanted to decrease the airflow to prevent the virus aerosolization if you're using this window to access the patient face or give him a sip of water. Okay, but it's a nice flap that goes on and off. As you probably noticed, the in and out ports are on the hood, on the top of the hood, and they are universal sizes. I was able to actually connect them. It's a little bit loose, but that can be fixed. You can use a tape or something, and the team is always improving their design. So what I'm showing you right now, the improvement is happening as we speak. Okay, so this is how it would look connected. Also, I want to mention that another reason why the opening for the neck is in the back is to actually, that helps to keep the hood plastic away from a patient's face when it inflates. And I'm going to show you here, this is being tested at the hospital, and if you notice, the ring is same small, but the hood part is bigger when it is inflated. Here is the hood that is inflated, and you can see it is like a big bubble on a smaller ring. So I'm just gonna put it on and let you know how it feels. Again, you want to make sure you have two people putting the helmet on for many different reasons. It is more comfortable for the patient, it's faster, and it's safer. You're not gonna, hurt the patient by putting it on. Okay. All right. So the neck seal feels very comfortable. Okay, so I can access the window myself. if I want to, if I'm a patient, and then I can close it. It seals very well. Now, if I wanted to lay back, I put the pillow here. Yeah, it doesn't push too much on the ring. I don't feel any opening here. And now for the arm straps, what I really like that it's already attached to the helmet, so you're not gonna lose it. And it has actually buckles here. I'm sorry. You definitely need another person to help you to do it, right? But if I need to, I can put the helmet on myself. So I like that it is buckled so you can release fast and you can adjust based on the patient. So when I talked with the team, we did the testing. We were looking at the ear leaks, and there are no ear leaks. A 10 of PEEP, even higher to PEEP of 20, there are no ear leaks, but you need definitely to use the underarm straps to keep the helmet in place. So yeah, thank you very much for making this model. It's definitely gonna provide the same therapy like all the other non-invasive positive pressure ventilation helmets. So, and I'm very happy to hear that we are working on improving the design. Thank you.